Hello Eagles, it's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. I have something for you today, and the title of this video is Mind Your Business. I'm not talking about business per se, but your personal business. My goodness. We are in a culture that loves gossip. I don't know, there's something in our system that loves gossip, right? So we go around and expend this energy, either listening to gossip or participating in sharing the gossip. And that's all energy that you're giving away. I know all of you have goals, have dreams, you're trying to build something, and one of the main things you'll have to do is to mind your environment, is to bring in the energy, remove people who suck energy out of you, negative energy, create an environment that will be able to help you flourish to get where you need to go. And in that process, you have to mind your business. See, where are you spending your time? What activities are you engaging in? Are they contributing to where you're going, or are they taking away? Are they exhausting you, or are they uplifting you? You have to make these decisions for yourself. Otherwise, you'll take three steps forward, then take 2 steps back because of all this energy you're expending, or you will not have enough strength, mental strength, physical strength, spiritual strength to engage in your vision, in your passion, because all the energy has been leaked out. I've known people who have taken a fast from social media just to pull back their energy and strength. If you realize there's an area that is pulling too much of you, back off for a little while. Come back to yourself and regroup, because life generally, especially if you're natural and you are a giver, you are a magnet for anything that wants to suck you out. They'll suck the energy, they'll suck the resources, but you have to be in a position of saying no where you have to say no, saying yes when you mean it, saying yes to only things that will nourish you and energize you, and stay away from things that are depleting you. It takes so much strength to remain on top of your game, because life as you know it will have things pulling on you here and there. But be strong. You're standing on the rock. If it's none of your business, don't engage. Don't go poking around trying to find out whether it is your business, right? No. Don't engage if it has nothing to do with you. Keep your eye on the ball, because you're almost there and you will see the fruit. Yes, at times your life may seem a bit awkward because maybe you cut off almost half of your friends and you're not going to those hangouts you used to go to. These are temporary measures just to get you momentum. So, as always, mind your business. Be cautious. Your egos, we are flying high. Egos usually fly solo, and that's fine. It's just for a little while until you get to where you're going. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Visit mothereagle.net. That's where we keep all these videos. You can download them and share them as much as you want. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.